Hello everyone, welcome back. And this is Pepper, my brother's little pet. Did you see that? She bit me. Ooh, she's angry with me always. I don't know why. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Bye-bye. So today I'm going to unbox two little items that I got from Amazon. Shout out to this company who sent me these for free for me to review. So the first thing is the coffee machine descaler, and the other one is the coffee machine cleaning tablets. So I got these two to review. So first thing first, let's review this coffee machine cleaning tablets. This machine is already crying for clean. So when the light blinks, that means it's time to clean the machine. Now you don't have to pay a fortune to get Breville cleaning tablets, which cost 23 bucks, I believe, US dollar for 6 tablets. Now look at this, 16 tablets for $4. Now, one thing I like about this product is they have written all the ingredients, which is really good. If I look at other cleaning tablets, they don't mention what is really in this. This is safe to use. You can read about it. One more thing I like about this product is they write the manufacture date, which is really cool, I believe. Now this is to ensure that you're getting the fresh tablets, not the old stock. So without wasting time, let's clean this Breville Barista Express using this new cleaning tablets, and let's see how it performs. Here's a close-up. The clean descale light is blinking. That means it's time to clean. Clean is nothing but backflush. Cleaning is mainly to clean your shower screen, and you can use the same tablet to clean filter baskets or even portafilter. So to do that, you just dissolve the tablet in a bowl, and then you can throw in all your baskets in it, and it will come out shiny like new. One more thing, I'll leave the link in the description below of this video where to buy this. Now if you use my link, I'll be getting a small commission. That really helps this channel. I would really appreciate that. I've linked a lot of other products related to coffee in the description below of all my videos, so please click on that link and purchase if necessary. So to do the clean cycle, you need your portafilter, a single cup basket, and your cleaning disc or the silicone disc which came with the machine. If you can't find it, there's a high chance it will be in that drawer there. Now place it in, and there's a section here to put the tablet. So in my case, I'll just pop out one. Just came off easy, and then put it right in the middle. That's it, ready to plug in. And before you begin, make sure your water tank is full, plus the drip tray is empty. In my case, my drip tray is empty and my water tank is full. Also make sure your portafilter is tight all the way to the right. For the sake of video, just to see the backflush or the clean cycle running, I'll remove the drip tray, just the cover, and leave it in. As you see, the drip tray is so dirty. This is my brother's machine. I'm going to clean this and give it back to him. If you look at the surface all over, there's a lot of dirt and it needs a nice clean, which I'll do next. For now, I'll just leave it in. Now to enter into the cleaning mode, I first switch off and then press the single and double cup button together along with the power button. So 3 buttons together. So let's begin. 1, 2. It's actually 3 seconds. So that's gonna begin the job. It's gonna build a lot of pressure here. So the water is being pushed through the back flush right into the drip tray. So it's gonna run those cycles more than 4 or 5 times, I guess. So I'll leave it running. So the cycle has finished. Let's open and see. Okay. Now, usually when I use a tablet or Kefisa, there's a high chance there'll be half the tablet not dissolved, but here I can see it's completely dissolved. And there's a lot of coffee oil and dirt here. So mainly you do the cleaning cycle to remove the coffee oil from the shower screen. Let me run some empty cycle. Before I switch off, make sure that you clean the shower screen and back flush again manually. So first thing, I'm going to clean the silicone disc and the basket first and come back. And I'll run an empty shot. After that, I'm going to plug this in. I cleaned the silicone disc and the portafilter with soap water. Now run an empty back flush cycle. So you could press any of these buttons and just leave it for 6 seconds till you get the high pressure. You can switch off. One more time. So that's gonna push any water, any soap residue on the line there back into the drip tray. That should be good. Now check again whether it's clean. Yes, in my case the water is clean now. So that should be good. Also, you might have noticed that the clean light is no more blinking. That means you've successfully done the clean cycle. Let's have a closer look at the shower screen. I have to say that the shower screen looks so shiny, like new. So this tablet did a very good job. Now you're not done again. This is a very important step many people forget, that is to wipe and clean the surface of the machine. You could see a lot of splash here, which needs to be cleaned, or else it's gonna stain like here. So to avoid that, make sure you get a clean paper towel and wipe it down first. And then I use some soap water to clean the remaining. So here I'm using a very mild soap, a drop of it, and then I'll wipe it thoroughly. and then use another towel that is clean, and then wipe again. That should be good. Now that looks clean, far better than before. And now you can switch off your machine. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now, how do I like this product? Now, I've used many espresso cleaning tablets. One major problem I notice in all the product is it doesn't dissolve properly. I have to do at least 2 or 3 cycles to get it fully dissolved. Now, this one, it dissolved everything, just first attempt, which is really good. So it cleaned. Again, second thing is they supplied 16 tablets in one pack, which is really good. They say it's for 2 years supply, which is really good. And the packing is good. It's sealed properly, so it's always fresh when you open it. Again, once again, I'll leave the link where to buy in the description below. Please use my link so that I get a small commission which supports this channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll be posting more videos related to that, and my next video will be a review of this descaler. It's a solution, and we'll unbox and see and descale our machine and see how good it is. I'll be doing more comparison of these with other products, so stay tuned and see you guys next time. Bye for now.